Google News for free. Make money online in 2023. Have you ever considered turning your daily news scroll into a money-making venture? Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, we'll unravel the fascinating concept of using Google News to generate income online. We'll embark on a journey through creating a news website, optimizing it for Google News, getting approved, and finally, monetizing your site in various innovative ways. But why should you stay until the end? Well, we're also going to disclose some invaluable tips on remaining compliant while making money online, a crucial factor that's often overlooked. This could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for, so sit tight and let's dive right in. Section 1. What is Google News? Google News is a free news aggregator provided and operated by Google, selecting and presenting news from thousands of publications worldwide. It is a fantastic platform that compiles news from various sources and presents them to users based on their interests and browsing habits. Let's dig a bit deeper. Google News is not just a hub of information from around the globe, but a technological marvel in its own right. The service uses a sophisticated algorithm to sift through the sea of news content available online, personalizing the selection of articles presented to each user. As a result, Google News helps users stay informed about the topics they care most about, making it an invaluable resource for millions of people worldwide. But how, you may wonder, can this service aid us in making money online? Let's explore that in detail. Section 2. The potential of Google News. Google News can be a powerful tool to make money online, given the platform's reach and influence. Millions of people globally access it for their daily news, making it an ideal platform to drive traffic to your website or blog. This is where the journey to making money online starts, with traffic. More traffic typically means more opportunities to monetize. Google News' popularity is what makes it a valuable tool for online money making. With its wide reach and personalized content, it is a treasure trove of potential readers for your blog or website. Google News is not just a destination for news readers, but a potential springboard for your content. By becoming a part of Google News, your content could be exposed to a larger, highly targeted audience, thus increasing the potential for your website traffic and revenue generation. Section 3. Building a news website or blog. To start, create a news website or blog. It might sound complicated, but with platforms like WordPress, you can get started in a matter of minutes. Ensure that your site has a clean, professional appearance, making navigation easy for visitors. Focus on producing high-quality news content related to your niche. It could be tech news, sports news, fashion news, etc. Remember, the goal is to provide value to your audience. Consistently creating high-quality content increases your chances of getting approved by Google News. In the creation of your news website or blog, remember the golden rule: content is king. The content you produce needs to resonate with your audience and stand out from the crowded online news space. This means investing time in research, being meticulous with your facts, and delivering content that is both engaging and informative. Remember, building a credible news source is a marathon, not a sprint, and the cornerstone of this endeavor is consistently high-quality content. Section 4. Optimizing for Google News. Ensure that your website is optimized for Google News. This involves structuring your content properly and adhering to Google News technical guidelines. Your news articles should have clear headlines, timestamps, and byline. Also, Google recommends having a minimum of 2 sentences per article to describe the story. Make sure to update your content regularly, as Google News favors fresh content. Optimization for Google News isn't merely a technical undertaking, it's an ongoing commitment to meet the expectations of both your readers and Google's algorithms. As you optimize, focus on creating a seamless user experience while also adhering to the standards set by Google. Regularly review Google's guidelines to ensure you remain in compliance and keep abreast of any changes that could impact your site's performance in Google News. Section 5. Getting included in Google News. Once your website is ready and optimized, you can apply to include it in Google News. If approved, your articles can appear in search results on Google News, which can significantly increase your website's visibility and traffic. Be patient, as the approval process can take some time. If you are rejected, take note of the reasons and make the necessary adjustments before reapplying. The process of getting your website approved for Google News can be challenging, but it is a hurdle worth crossing. The key is persistence and continuous improvement. Understand that rejection is not a dead end, but an opportunity to refine your approach and strengthen your website. Keep refining your content, making sure it's unique, valuable, and aligns with Google's guidelines. Every step you take towards improving your site is a step closer to your goal. Section 6. Monetizing your website. There are several ways to monetize your news website. One common method is through display advertising, such as Google AdSense. This allows you to earn revenue by showing relevant ads on your website. With increased traffic from Google News, your potential ad revenue can also increase. Another way to monetize is through sponsored posts. Companies often look for popular websites to feature their products or services. You can charge a fee for these posts, providing an additional revenue stream. As you dive into website monetization, remember that the best strategy is one that aligns with your audience's interests and needs. With advertising, ensure that the ads displayed are relevant and non-intrusive. With sponsored content, maintain a balance between your regular content and sponsored posts, ensuring transparency at all times. Successful monetization is a delicate balance between maximizing revenue and preserving the trust and interest of your audience. Section 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another promising way to make money online. This involves promoting products or services from other companies on your website. Whenever a sale is made through your referral, you get a commission. There are various affiliate programs available online, so choose one that aligns with your niche. Affiliate marketing can be a game changer, but it requires careful strategy. Align your affiliate partnerships with the needs and interests of your audience. This increases the chances of your referrals leading to actual purchases. Trust and relevance are crucial in affiliate marketing. Your audience should trust your recommendations, and the products or services you promote should be relevant to your content. Section 8. Building and monetizing email lists. An often overlooked yet highly effective way to monetize is by building an email list. Encourage your website visitors to sign up for newsletters. With an email list, you can keep your audience updated on new content, promotions, or any products you are selling. You can also leverage this list for direct advertising or affiliate marketing. When it comes to building and monetizing email lists, remember that your subscribers have trusted you with their personal information. This means providing them with valuable, engaging content that justifies their subscription. Treat your email list as a direct line to your most engaged audience members. Tailor your content to their needs, provide value, and they'll likely remain loyal, potentially driving more traffic and revenue. Section 9. Consistency and patience. Remember, earning money through Google News is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistency, effort, and patience. Focus on providing valuable content to your audience, optimizing your website for Google News, and exploring different monetization strategies. It requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and above all, patience. Every article you publish, every optimization you make, every interaction with your audience builds towards your long-term success. Enjoy the process, and remember that each small step contributes to your broader goal. Section 10. Staying compliant. Lastly, stay compliant. Adhere to Google's policies and guidelines, as violating them can lead to your website being removed from Google News or even banned from Google's services. Remember, your goal should always be to provide real value to your audience while maintaining high ethical standards. When it comes to compliance, bear in mind that the trust of your audience, your relationship with Google, and the integrity of your website are on the line. Compliance isn't just about following rules, it's about maintaining a high standard of ethics and professionalism. Being compliant helps to build your reputation as a reliable source of news, which is fundamental to sustained success in making money online through Google News. So there you have it, an in-depth guide on how you can leverage Google News to make money online. Remember, the internet offers countless opportunities for generating income, and with a strategic approach, you can tap into these prospects. Start by building a high-quality news website, get it approved by Google News, and employ effective monetization strategies. With persistence and a bit of creativity, you can establish a successful online venture. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best on your money-making journey. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. See you in our next video.